All right, this is gonna be a retake of the elevator at the Vineland Place ramp here at the Walker Arts Center, downtown Minneapolis. It smells like carpet in here. Going on to P3. Jesus Christ, that scared me. That was a big jolt. Up to P1. That thing jolted for a second. We'll get a cab view. I hope this doesn't jolt when we go down to P3. Well, I deserve that. This thing jolts a lot, as I started to mention. All right, we're gonna get a close with the button. All right. This thing kind of jolts a lot. It's still an Otis. Anyways, there it goes. That's it.